Oh man, oh, it's good shit.
That's the problem with gene editing. Is that the way I look at it, right? Is it's essentially like if you were programming, right, and you have, or this is a program that you're using, and you have basically no clue how it works, but you do have access to its programming code, so you can, in theory, kind of change it, edit it, move stuff around, except you have no idea what language it's in. It's in some really weird ass language with like only 4 letters, but these 4 letters are combined in tons of different complex ways and chains to essentially make this crazy program, this crazy complex program that you're working with. And now it's kind of like CRISPR is essentially our way to edit, or it's like we finally are able to have a rudimentary, or actually kind of decent by kind of how they describe it and where it's come so far, editing tool for this software. Except that again, you have no idea what the hell this language is. You're literally learning it by trial and error. And anyone that's actually kind of done any programming and stuff like that will know that, if you're taking over programming for, excuse me, if you're taking over programming for someone else, sometimes you just have no idea what changing or deleting or commenting something out is really gonna do. Like, it's just, you have some really weird effects going on. Obviously DNA is significantly more complicated than that, so we don't know exactly how to read the language to know exactly what does what, and we don't know exactly what all is connected, but we were able to, again, through trial and error and research, figure out what was needed to kind of get this resistance in these mosquitoes. But we just don't know releasing them. Okay, now all these mosquitoes have this resistance, but is there something about their resistance or their lack of resistance that made them more nutritious for a certain, species that fed on? Like, it's just, this stuff's really complicated. It's almost like playing God in a way with this kind of technology.